The VIZIO 24-inch V has really changed my entertainment game. I mean, who needs a cluttered setup when you can have crystal clear 720p HD resolution on a compact, space-saving display that's perfect for small spaces? This baby fits in seamlessly, yet packs a punch with its high-definition visuals. But let me tell you, the AirPlay and Google Cast compatibility is where it really shines. I mean, no more wrestling with menus or trying to figure out how to stream your favorite shows from your devices to the TV. With this VIZIO 24-inch V, it's a breeze. Just fire up your device, select what you want to watch, and voila, your content is on the screen in an instant. And then there's the immersive sound with DTS Virtual X. This feature takes your entertainment experience to new heights. I mean, imagine getting lost in a blockbuster movie or snuggling up for a cozy night in. The VIZIO 24-inch V delivers that cinematic magic right into your living room. The sound is so convincing you'll feel like you're part of the action. But what really impresses me is the Wi-Fi 5 dual-band technology. This thing keeps you connected and streaming with ease, ensuring no buffering interruptions get in the way of your favorite shows. And when it comes to pairing up wireless headphones or speakers, the integrated Bluetooth compatibility is a game-changer. I can walk into my living room, pair up my headphones, and start watching my show, no fuss, no muss. And let me tell you, this TV adapts seamlessly to any situation. Whether I'm working from home, having friends over, or just want to chill out with the family, the VIZIO 24-inch V handles it all. The advanced connectivity means I can stay connected from anywhere without sacrificing picture quality or clarity. One of my favorite things about this TV is how intuitive it is. I mean, some TVs have a million settings and options, but not this one. It's simple, easy to use, and gets the job done. No more digging through menus or trying to figure out what all the acronyms mean. AirPlay, Google Cast, DTS Virtual X. Yeah, it can be overwhelming if you don't know what they do. But with this VIZIO 24-inch V, I just plug in my device and let it take care of everything. And have I mentioned how compact it is? This thing fits perfectly on any shelf or mantle, making it the perfect addition to any living room. And when it comes to power consumption, it's remarkably efficient, so you don't have to worry about racking up those pesky energy bills. But what really sets this TV apart is its value for money. I mean, where else can you get a 24-inch display with all these bells and whistles at such an affordable price? It's like VIZIO took every feature they could think of, threw them all in one package, and just gave it to me. And the best part? The still rock-bottom price. So what's the verdict? In short, this compact display packs an impressive punch in terms of picture quality and connectivity, making it perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment setup without sacrificing space or clutter. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gamer, or just someone who loves movies and TV shows, this VIZIO 24-inch V is the ultimate solution. Ready to experience the full impact of the VIZIO 24-inch V for yourself? Click the link below to check out the best price.